Dheeraj, all of you clear my screen and voice?
Yes,
Dheeraj?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. In the previous session, we saw experiment 1. In this session, we saw experiment 2, right? Experiment 2, NAND gate, right? See, NAND gate. NAND gate states that all inputs are high. All inputs are high, then only output is low. Otherwise, any one input is low. Sorry, mistake. Any one input is low, output is high. Any one input is low, output is high, right? In CMOS, pull-up network consists of what? PMOS. Pull-up network consists of PMOS. AND gate, in pull-up network, AND gate represents parallel connection. A connected to A parallel to B, right? In pull-down network consists of NMOS. In AND represents in pull-down network is series connection, right? Pull-up network and pull-down network, right? See, if A equal to 0, B equal to 0, right? PMOS acts as a short circuit. PMOS acts as a short circuit. NMOS acts as a open circuit. NMOS acts as a open circuit. Output run from here, right? If 0, 0, output is 1, right? Next case, if input is 0, 0, 0, 1, PMOS acts as a 0, A equals 0. It acts as a short circuit. Here it acts as a open circuit. Here NMOS acts as a open circuit. Here NMOS acts B equal to 1 and acts as a short circuit. Output drawn from here to here. If 0, 1, input is A is 0, B is 1, output is 1, right? If any one input is low, output is high. Next case, if any one input is low, it acts as a short circuit. It acts as a short circuit. Output run from here. 1, 0, it acts as a 1, 0, output is 1, right? Last case, all inputs are high, then only output is low. In PMOS, if input is high, it acts as open circuit, it acts as a open circuit. It acts as a short circuit, it acts as a short circuit. Output run from here. If all inputs are high, then only output is low, right? All of you clear up to here? There is only the statement. All inputs are high, then only output is low.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear? Samir, are you there? Samir, join. Okay. Any one input is low, output is high. Any one input is low, output is high. See, let's see the connections. NAND gate connections. Pull up network, parallel connection. Pull down network, series connection. See, if you want to change the direction of PMOS in previous session, control E, control R. In this, like this, you rotate like this, use control E, control R, control E. This is for connection convenient. Is only for connection convenient. Let's see how to draw NAND gate using LT Spice, right? Escape. All of you who have a laptops, please do parallelly with me, right? Nice. LT Spice screen కనపడుతుంది అందరికి? ధీరజ్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. కనపడుతుంది.
ఎస్. అంటే ఏంటంటే నిన్న ఎల్టీ స్పేస్ స్క్రీన్ కనపడలే చాలా మందికి, అంటే నా నేమ్ కనపడింది అందుకని, రైట్? క్లియర్? ఎల్టీ సి ఫస్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నో దట్ double click on LT Spice, right? Double click on LT Spice, file, new schematic, new schematic, right? NAND, sorry, use the NAND, right? Folder, change folder, right? Third year B section folder, right? Third year inverter over, next NAND gate, right? Save. All of you clear? Dheeraj, Samir,
Yes, sir. Clear.
so clear,
Yes, sir.
clear, right?
Yes, sir.
NAND gate, okay, right. Go to component icon, go to component icon. All of you do parallelly with me, please. Go to component icon, PMOS. ఎవరికి మధ్యలో రాకపోయినా నాకు చేయండి, వాయిస్ చెప్పండి. PMOS, right? Another PMOS, you need two PMOS, right? See PPT ones, C, sorry, A section, B section folder, NAND gate schematic circuit consists of two PMOSs and two NMOSs, 5 labels, 5 label nets and wires, right? Escape, close, right? See, change the direction of PMOS. See, select, Control E, Control R, Control R, right? Next, select this, Control E, Control R, then Control E, right? All of you clear up to here? Apurva?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, go to component icon, NMOS, pick NMOS, two NMOSs. No need to change the direction of NMOS. Right. Escape. Escape, zoom out, right? Go to component icon, pick another NMOS, right? No need direction of NMOS, right? Take wires. See, let's say 4 label nets, 5 label nets. Go to label net, select A represents input, right? Place here. Escape, go to B, is also input, place here, right? Escape, label net, VDD also input, place here. Escape, we'll go to label net, VSS, this input, right? Escape, go to label net, Y represents output, port type is output port, right? Output run between pull up network and pull down network, right? Up to clear, all of you? My screen visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take wire, connect as per circuit diagram, right? Parallel connection. This is series connection, right? Connect pull up network and pull down network, right? Okay, VDD, VSS. First input A connected to PMOS, right? Right? Right. B. A parallel with B. A connection, pull-up network connection over. Next. A. A. Right. A connection. Then B. Series connection. Right. A parallel to B. A series with B. Right. Next. Output connection. Output run between pull-up network and pull-down network. Right. Escape. Save. క్లియర్ అలా అందరు ప్యారల్ గా నాతో చేశారు. ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉందో వాళ్ళందరూ నాతో ప్యారల్ గా చేశారు అప్ టు ఇంతవరకు. ఎవరన్నా చేయకపోతే వెయిట్ చేద్దాం.
లేదు
ఆల్
సార్
ఆఫ్ యూ.
వైర్స్ ఒక్కటి మిగిలి వైర్స్ ఒక్కటి అటాచ్ చేస్తా
చేయండి వెయిట్ చేయండి వెయిట్ చేస్తా 5 minutes వెయిట్ చేస్తా. చేయండి, కనెక్ట్ చేయండి. అనే డౌట్స్ వస్తాడు. సి A connection, then B. A parallel to B connection. A B in series, A B in parallel connection. Output connected to Y. All of you do parallelly with me, please. వెయిట్ చేస్తామ్మా, వెయిట్ చేస్తా. మీరు ప్యారల్ నాతో చేయండి. 5 minutes వెయిట్ చేద్దాం, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Control E, Control R, Control R. This direction for Control E, Control R, Control R, Control E. No need to change the direction of NMOS. All of you completed? All of you complete? Samir, are you there?
ఎస్ సార్.
కంప్లీట్ అయిందా సమీర్?
వైర్స్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్.
ఓకే. అపూర్వ?
Sir, connecting the wires, sir.
అపూర్వ?
Wires connect this.
ఓకే. నవీన్? ఓకే చేయండి అమ్మా. నవీన్?
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
కంప్లీటెడ్. ఓకే, 5 minutes వెయిట్ చేద్దామా. అప్ టు 10:30 వరకు వెయిట్ చేద్దాం.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, రైట్. టూ మెంబర్స్ తప్ప అందరూ చేయాలమ్మా. 2 members కి ల్యాప్టాప్ లేవని నాకు తెలిసింది. 2 or 3 members, ఐ థింక్ 3 members. A6, B9, B1, B3, B8. All of you do. కంప్లీట్ అయితే నాకు చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Apurva,
Completed, sir.
Naveen, all of you completed.
Yes, sir.
అమ్మా ఎవరన్నా ఇంకెవరన్నా డ్రా చేస్తున్నారా? వెయిట్ చేయమంటారా? చెప్పండి. రైట్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ ఐ థింక్. రైట్, సేవ్. నెక్స్ట్ go to file, go to file, new symbol, next schematic over, next symbol, new symbol. Right, once again go to file, save as NAND, same folder, third year B section folder. Right, NAND ASY represents symbol extension. Right, schematic and symbol name must and should be same and same in folder. Right, save. Next, go to component icon. Sorry, see, we'll see చూడమ్మా, NAND symbol consists of lines, one circle, one arc, 4 pins. Right, NAND consists of lines, one circle, one arc and 4 pins. Right, escape. All of you clear? All of you clear my screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Escape. Line. Navya, door open it. Right, go to line. Right. All of you clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, 3 lines, just 3 straight lines. Right, see, this is a tricky here. Arc, go to arc. All of you see carefully, go to arc, draw one circle up to here. Right, then click here and move cursor like this. Right, all of you clear? All of you clear? Samir,
Yes,
Apurva?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, select it, then control E. Select, then control. Then control. Select. Once again, we'll see. Once again, cut. See, once again. See, go to arc. Select circle. right? Then click here, draw like this, right? Right. Next, select, then Control E. Then Control E. Right? Okay. It's not. Go to arc. Right. Then drag. Right. Then select, Control E. Right. Next, draw circle. Chudamma, circle. Select. Sorry. Move. Select this area. Then move. Right? All of you clear? Samir?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Naveen?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
క్లియర్ రైట్ అమ్మ ఒక్కసారి చూడండి ఈ సర్కిల్ ఎలా మూవ్ చేయాలంటే చూడండి ఒక్కసారి గో టు డ్రా సెలెక్ట్ సర్కిల్ డ్రా ఎనీవేర్ రైట్ మూవ్ క్లిక్ మూవ్ సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ దెన్ మూవ్ రైట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ lines, arc and circle over. Next pins. See, press P for pins. P A input left side, right, left side, right. Next pin, sorry, press P, B also left side, left side, right. Next press P, VDD at top, right. Zoom up. Press P, this pieces at bottom. Press P, Y always right side. Next lines, press L for lines. Connect lines. Right. L for line. Right. Input over escape. Then press L. Connect. Escape. Press L. Press. Right, join, put, press L, connect VDD, escape, press L, connect VSS. Right. Save. Now 5 minutes wait చేస్తే డ్రా చేయండి ఎవరైనా డ్రా చేయకపోతే. Any doubts? Inform me. Otherwise సమీర్ ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ మీద స్క్రీన్ ఏముంది సమీర్? ప్రెజెంట్ స్క్రీన్
ఆ సింబల్ చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే, రైట్. కంప్లీట్
sir.
చేయండి అమ్మా, సింబల్ ఫస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. రైట్. ఏమన్నా డిఫికల్టీ ఉంటే చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఆర్క్ ఒక్కటే చూడండి, సింపుల్ ఆర్క్ ఎలా తీసుకోండి, ఆర్క్ రైట్, దెన్ that's it. Then select Control E. Next, see, and test circuit. NAND test circuit consists of one symbol, three voltage sources. Three voltage sources, nothing but two input, one DC voltage, four grounds, and three label nets A, B, VDD, VS output. Five label nets and wires. Symbol B, right? Yes. Okay, all of you clear?
Yes,
All
sir.
of you. Right? Right. Okay. Save. Next, save. File. New schematic. Circuit. New schematic. Save as. NAND underscore test. Change the folder. Third year B section folder. Three are in same folder, right? Save. See, all of you, go to component, select path, change path. Here, change path. Desktop third year B section folder. Select third year B section folder. Then NAND symbol. Right? Escape. All of you, once again we'll see. Have been clear up to here? Rohit, are you there? You are vulnerable. Rohit, mute. Naveen, Naveen, clear up to here?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. See once again. See once again how to pick symbol. Delete. Delete. CC. Go to component. Change path here. Change path. Third year B section folder. Then select NAND gate. Text. Okay. Next, 3 voltage sources. Three voltage sources. 2 for inputs, 1 for DC voltage. Right. Go to component icon, change path here, regular path. Then voltage. This is for A, this is for B, this is for DC voltage. Right. 3 voltage sources. Right. Go to component icon, voltage source, pick voltage source, right? Select three voltage sources. Pick 3 voltage sources, 2 for inputs, 1 for DC voltage, right? Next, grounds. 3 grounds, 4 grounds, sorry. 4 grounds. VSS also ground. 4 grounds. Next. 4 grounds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 grounds. And draw. V1 connected to A, V1 connect to A, next V2 connected to B, next VDD connect to V3, right? VSS connected to ground, right? Next 5 label pins, 5 label pins. Go to label net, select A, port type is nothing but input port. Place here, escape, port type B, input B also input, right? Escape, port type VDD also input, right? Port VSS input is here. Next Y output, port type output port, right?
Sir, how to select voltage source?
Okay. Go to component icon. See amma. Go to component icon, right? Change path amma. Indaga third year B section of folder nunchi regular path ku వచ్చేయండి, right? Then voltage, right? Voltage, okay namma. ఇవి త్రీ ప్లేస్ లో ప్లేస్ చేయండి. ఓకే
Yes, sir. Okay.
ఓకే ఓకే రైట్. టేక్ 5 minutes టు కనెక్ట్. మా 5 minutes తీసుకోండి, కనెక్ట్ చేయండి. Voltage sources from component icon, VDD, A, B, VSS and Y from label net, right? Wires from here, wire. Sanjeev completed. Sanjeev, are you sleeping? Srinidhi? Srinidhi completed?
Sir, completed, sir.
Complete. Right. Saujanya? Saujanya? Saujanya Sri? Saujanya, are you there? B Saujanya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear Saujanya? Up to here?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Right, right. Subhashini?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Ashwini? Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sujit? Sujit, are you clear? మా కిరణ్ ఉన్నాడమ్మా మన కిరణ్. కిరణ్, ఆర్ యు దేర్?
ఈ గ్రూప్ కాదు సార్, వేరే
ఈ గ్రూప్
30.
కిరణ్ రా. కిరణ్ ఈ గ్రూపే కదా.
ఫస్ట్ 30 బ్యాచ్ సార్, 81 రోల్ నెంబర్.
B1 కదరా వాడు. B1
B1 Karan sir.
చరణ్ సాయి.
చరణ్ సాయి. ఓకే ఓకే, ఉన్నాడు చరణ్ సాయి. ఉన్నాడా చరణ్ సాయి? చరణ్ సాయి, ఆర్ యు దేర్? వాడు ఆన వెళ్ళిపోయింది. Right, all of you clear up to here? Right? Okay, right. Save. See, save. Amma Apurva complete ayinda? Apurva?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, V1. Right click, select V1. That is nothing but A input. Select, right click, go. See, V1, right click, then advance, pulse. See, values 0 volts, then 5 volts, then 5 mu u, 5 u, 5 u, right? 1 nano, then 1 nano, 10 microvolts, 21 microvolts. All of you see, initial voltage 0, 5 volt, 5 u, 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, 10 micro, 21 microvolts, right? 0, 5, 5U, 1 nano, 1 nano, 10U, 21, right? మన నోట్ చేసుకున్నారు అందరూ? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
See, 0, 0, 5, 5U, 1 nano, 1 nano, 10U, 21U, right? Right click. Next, second input, advance, pulse, 0, 5, 5U, 1 nano, 1 nano, 5U, 6, right? 0, 5 volt, 5 microseconds, 1 nanoseconds, 1 nano, 5U, 6V, right? Okay. 0, 5, 5U, 1N nano, 1N, 5U, 6U, right? Save, then run. All of this is, all of you clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Next, run. Press run. Run 21U up to 21U starts from 0. 21U 0. Right? Errors, unknown parameter V. VDD connected DC missing. DC voltage ఇచ్చా మనం ఇవ్వలేదు కదా, అందుకే DC voltage మిస్సింగ్ అని చెప్తుంది. రైట్, రైట్ క్లిక్, 5 volts, 5 volts, right? Save. Input voltage, output voltage, DC voltage as simulation time. Okay, run. Press A, input. Press B, output. Press Y, this is for output, right? Maximize, right click, add plot plane, another plot plane. This is for B, this is for output. See, all inputs are high, all inputs are high, only output is low. All inputs are high, then only output is low. Any one input is low, output is high. Any one input is low, output is high. See, any one input is low, output is high. Any one input is low, output is high, right? All inputs are high, then only output is. See, for better view, click, right click, increase 0.5, decrease 0.5, decrease minus 0.5 volts, right? Right click, 5.5, okay, right. See, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Any one input is 0, output is high. Any input 0, all inputs are high, then only output is low. Right? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
మా వచ్చింది అందరికి వేవ్ వచ్చా? రైట్.
Sir.
అపూర్వ, అపూర్వ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిందమ్మా?
ఎస్ సార్, వచ్చింది సార్.
రైట్. నవీన్?
ఎస్ సార్, వచ్చింది.
వచ్చిందా? రైట్, ఓకే. నేను స్టాప్ చేస్తాను, మీరు షేర్ చేయండి. ఎవరైతే అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిందో షేర్ చేయండి, నేను చేస్తాను.